Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and this week we get to look at a Mailani Tower Premier Oceanfront room at the gorgeous Royal Hawaiian Resort right on the beach in Waikiki. When you're ready to book your next vacation to Hawaii, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. So you can see as you come into the room, it's a beautiful room and very spacious. Has a nice big desk and beautiful Hawaiian artwork on the walls. And they have this nice big sliding door that covers your own private balcony and a nice lounge chair, settee there. But one of the highlights of the room, of course, is your private balcony with this gorgeous view of Waikiki Beach. You can see the sapphire blue water of the Pacific Ocean and all the different shades out there. You have an amazing view of Diamond Head off to the left and the beautiful palm trees. This is the pool for the resort, which is a bit small, but the highlight of the Royal Hawaiian Resort is the private beach. You can see the umbrellas out there on the beach, and Royal Hawaiian is one of only 2 hotels that have private beaches, the other one being the Moana Surfrider Hotel. So they actually have food and beverage service right on the beach and have beach chairs and umbrellas that you can use, and it's just gorgeous. You can see the Sheraton Waikiki off to the right. They also have this lovely sofa and ottoman there on the deck, so you can enjoy beverages with this gorgeous view on your private balcony. They have the desk again and a nice big flat screen TV. And they have this gorgeous king-size bed. The rooms come with either a king-size bed or 2 double beds. More beautiful Hawaiian artwork. You have a connecting door, so you can have an adjoining room if you'd like. A full-length mirror. And they have this wonderful coffee and tea station right here on your little wet bar. And right below that is a mini fridge. So you can store food or beverages of your choice in your mini fridge. In the bathroom, you have a lovely vanity with a nice big sink and storage underneath. A backlit mirror and a makeup mirror. You have these beautiful Royal Hawaiian bathrobes that you can use while you're there. The facilities, of course, more beautiful artwork. And you have a nice shower with a shower wand and a lovely soaking tub. The Royal Hawaiian also has its own private bath amenity. So just a gorgeous, luxurious property right on Waikiki Beach. And here's the closet right in the bathroom with the luggage rack and plenty of storage space. So just a gorgeous resort with amazing views of the Pacific Ocean and Diamond Head. So again, when you're ready to book your next amazing vacation to Hawaii, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. Thanks.